Welcome back to KNX Preparatory course offered by Glowtech Academy. Let's explore the electrical wiring for home in this session 1.2. A main distribution board, also called DB, is normally installed near entrance. It is a closed metal cabinet with an openable cover. Please do not touch this cabinet if you are not a trained professional. As you see in the given image, DB has a main switch to control incoming supply to the home. If we turn it off, all the electrical appliances in the house will not operate. For 3-phse system, normally we use a main switch with 4-pole connections. 3 for 3 phases, 7/4 being neutral. Neutral is the return path for the electricity. Phase wire from the main switch goes to MCB, which are protecting device for given switchboard. For any appliance to operate, it needs phase, live, and neutral. After the main switch, the neutral is directly connected to every appliance via neutral link, without any controlling device like MCB or switch. But the phase wire is controlled via MCBs and switches, on the switchboard. MCBs are the protecting device, that connects the incoming phase, with a wire going to each switchboard. This wire is called circuit wire. Normally there is one MCB for one switchboard. As you explore the mechanical tick-tock switch available, it has 2 terminals at the back. Given example shows 3 switches in one switchboard. One of the terminals of the switch is for incoming circuit wire and the other for wire going to appliance. This wire is called off wire. Since each switch on the switchboard will need the phase, circuit wire is connected to each switch on one side. When one of the switches turn on, that particular off wire gets connection with circuit wire and it gets phase. So now phase reaches the load, and with neutral always available, the light turns on. When we put the switch off, then again the off wire gets disconnected from circuit wire and becomes dead. Thus THTE lamp connected goes off. Now let's explore the connection step by step. Wire from meter to main switch is incoming phase and neutral. Phase from the main switch goes to every MCB and neutral goes to neutral link. Output of the MCB is called circuit wire and it goes to the switchboard. If you look inside the switchboard, circuit wire goes to every switch on one side, and on another side goes to the lamp and is called off wire. I hope the basic concept about the electrical wiring is well understood. Let's meet in the next session.